In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Google Calendar schedules on your Android device. Whether you're coordinating with team members for work or planning family events, sharing your calendar can streamline communication and keep everyone on the same page. We'll cover how to share your entire calendar for continuous updates or just specific events for one-off meetings and appointments. So let's dive right into it. To begin, open up the Google Calendar app on your Android phone or tablet. The app is conveniently pre-installed on most Android devices, but if you don't have it, you can easily download it from the Google Play Store. Once you have the app open, you'll need to access the settings. To do this, look towards the top left corner for the three horizontal lines. This is your menu icon. Tap it, then scroll down until you see Settings and tap it. Now find the specific calendar you wish to share. You may have multiple calendars, like one for work and one for personal events, so make sure to select the right one. Tap on the calendar, and if the share option is available, tap it. Here, you'll be prompted to enter the Gmail address of the person you want to share your calendar with. It's important to note that if you don't see the share option on your device, some sharing settings may be restricted to the desktop version of Google Calendar. In that case, you can open a browser on your computer to adjust these settings. Next, you'll choose the permission level you want to assign. There are several options here. You can go as minimal, as allowing others to only see when your time is free or busy, or more detailed by letting them view all event details. If you want to grant more control, you can let them make changes to events or even manage sharing settings. Once all set up, the person you're sharing your calendar with will receive an email notification with access to your calendar, making it easy for them to keep up with your schedule. Now, if you prefer to share just a specific event, return to your Google Calendar app. Locate and tap on the event you wish to share. You'll see an edit icon, typically represented by a pencil. Tap this icon to enter edit mode. As you scroll down, you'll find the option to add people or add guests. Here you can type in the email addresses of those you'd like to invite. Once you've entered all the necessary addresses, tap Save. The recipients will then receive an email invitation containing all the details of your event, as well as any updates you make to it. So whether you're sharing an entire calendar or just one event, Google Calendar on Android is a powerful tool to ensure seamless communication and organization. I hope this guide has been helpful and makes managing your busy schedule a little easier.